Hello there, YouTube. Stephanie Garcia here with Mio Retail, and I will be talking about private label and product getting stuck in custom. So, here's what happened. I have been ordering this product, or been trying to order this product for since November or so, maybe mid-December. I've been getting it in the work, getting the sample, getting my brand put on it, figuring out the boxing of it, and buying a little couple accessories to send with it. Well, I ordered 150 units, and I paid a really high amount for them. Way more than I could have paid probably to another supplier, but I don't know what happened. So anyways, I thought they were going to handle all of the custom stuff. Well, today, February 28th, I got a call yesterday from Forward Air, which is a company here in Sacramento, and apparently they have my shipment. But they said that they can't release it to me until customs releases it. They advised me to find a customs broker, which may cost some money. My first thought is, how am I going to do this myself? So that's what I need to look into. But with having school, it's going to be very difficult. The longer I leave it with Forward Air, they're going to charge me a storage fee. They're already going to charge me a $40 fee for I don't know what, maybe paperwork or something. So I have to figure all of this stuff out fast. And not to mention, the customs office is located at our airport. And that office closes at 3 o'clock. And I don't get off of work until 3:30. So now I'm going to have to figure out when to go, which is probably going to be Friday. I'm going to see if maybe I can go into work late or something. Or it's going to have to be tomorrow. Maybe I can go into work late tomorrow. I don't know, because I can't let my product sit there for too long, because I don't want to pay storage fees. So I'm in a bit of a bind. And I guess I should have looked into it more. So that's one mistake that I have made so far with the private label. Number 2 mistake, picking an item that is probably not even going to be profitable. I mean, it would have been with my bundle thing I have going on, but now with these few little issues and these extra costs that I might incur, it may not be. But you know what? It's a good learning experience, and we'll see how it goes. I'll keep you updated. Anyways, that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please like, comment, subscribe. I greatly appreciate all support.